And people are taking extra precautions this year because of the deadly tornadoes that happened last year. Elizabeth Lane is live now with more on the trends that emergency management officials are noticing ahead of this next round of storms.
Good morning, Nikki. Emergency officials everywhere across Middle Tennessee are busy making those plans. Many of them have been in place since earlier this week. But we did speak with the EMA down in Putnam County. Brandon Smith believes that March 3rd weather event, the tornadoes that struck, is certainly creating a heightened awareness, especially in the Cookeville community. He says the county is getting more reports than ever of additional storm shelters being purchased. People are taking safety into their own hands, and he says some tornado survivors are even choosing to evacuate. Smith recommends if you do purchase a storm shelter, no matter what county you live in, don't forget to get it registered.
We're seeing a lot more storm shelters being purchased and put into place since last year. And it's really important that those storm shelters are registered with us so that we know where to look for you after an event happens, that we can know exactly where your shelter is located, how many people to anticipate in that storm shelter.
Now, another concern in multiple counties with this weather event is flash flooding. Mill Creek, which you're looking at right now, is prone to flooding. The conditions still looking good right now at this point. Of course, we know that they could deteriorate as this weather moves in throughout the day. And if you live near a body of water or a creek like this one, you're certainly going to want to pay close attention to that. Reporting live in Antioch, Elizabeth Lane, News 2.